Good morning. It is Friday morning, August 9th, 2024, and it's time for your morning walk with me, Sophfronia. Well, my family and I have moved to Michigan. I'm figuring out other places to walk. I'm learning new neighborhoods. And it's been a busy summer because even though I've moved here, I don't think I've been here more than a week this summer until like right now, because I've been going all over the place. I was in Seattle a couple of weeks ago for the Glenn workshop, and I had the honor of being the keynote speaker there. And the theme for the workshop was Begin Again. And the thing that I wanted to talk about that day is something I'll mention here, is that what I'm learning on this move, we were in Connecticut for nearly 20 years. And the thing that I'm learning being here in Michigan is that you can't go into a new situation with old thinking. Because not only does that thinking not work, it keeps you from seeing new opportunities. And sometimes these things can be very small. So here's an example. When I lived in Connecticut, I had this habit of going to the post office on Saturday mornings. And it's because I like mailing my correspondence on Saturday mornings. I think people, want to get something good in the mail on Monday, so I took pleasure in doing that. But it was kind of a race to do so because the post office in where I lived in Connecticut closed at 12 or 1 o'clock, depending on the season. So it's like, okay, can I get to the post office before it closes? So I was in a similar situation here in Michigan, and I was thinking, okay, it's Saturday morning, I got to get to the post office. And I get to the post office, and I find out that it closes at 3 o'clock on Saturdays. Totally blew my mind. Like, what? And they had like 3-4 different agents there at the counter to help you, postal workers. It was a beautiful post office, and I was just stunned. Suddenly I had all of this extra time that I didn't expect to have. But it also showed me that I needed to think differently. That here is an opportunity to just live differently, to be in a different space, to live in a different way. And I don't even know what those ways are yet. But the point is that I have to be open to them and not automatically do something just because I've always done it that way. So think about that. Think about your habitual thinking. Because even if you're not making a big move or changing a job, it might be that you want to do something new in your life. And if you're going to do it, you can't take your old way of thinking with you, right? It might make that new thing just harder to do. Anyway, I'm going to keep walking. This really is a beautiful place. It's kind of like coming home. My husband and I both grew up in Ohio, so the Midwest is familiar to us. We're closer to family here. And I'm closer to Alma College, where I direct the MFA program. So my commute is a lot shorter. Anyway, I'm going to keep walking. I will see you again soon. Good luck with the new thing that you're going to do. Bye-bye.